You can't let nobody stand in your way. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up, oh, and take down everything that you cannot change now. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up, oh.
Hey, what in the world? Yeah, it's me again. Back before you, but your mercy, you're bending me again. No running from the truth, as much as we pretend that it ain't what it is, then it hits CNN. Apologies to my fans and my closest friends for letting you down. I won't take you down this road again. Most of you now saying whatever, here we go again. Vlogs, radio, and television, all going in. I laugh to keep from crying through all of the embarrassment. I gotta say, you fucking haters is hilarious. How dare you sit right there and act as if you holier than thou? Point your finger now with me looking down. Same clown that would twit picking at my wit, and on the same Twitter page, disrespecting. Wait a second, never mind my imperfections, this is fact. Remember that, no mistakes too great to recover and bounce back.
You can't let nobody stand in your way. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up, oh, and take down everything that you cannot change now. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up, oh.
Crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it and spit it back in the faces of you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's, and you Nazis. Watch me cause you thinking you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you pop me. I came to save these new generations of babies. For parents who fail to raise them cause they're lazy. To grow to praise me, I'm making them go crazy. That's how I got this whole nation to embrace me. And you fugazi if you think I'ma admit wrong. I cripple any hypocritic critic I'm sicked on. And this song is for any kid who gets picked on. I sing songs to retaliate to when this kind of music. Use it and you get head to do shit.
You can't let nobody stand in your way. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up, oh, and take down everything that you cannot change now. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up, oh.
Nothing to say, it ain't our fault if we never heard it, but if we know better, then we probably deserve it. Jihad is not holy war, where's that in the worship? Murdering is not Islam, and you are not observant. And you are not a Muslim. Israel, don't take my side, cause look how far you pushed them. Walk with me into the ghetto, this where all the kush went. Complain about the liquor store, but what you drinking liquor for? Complain about the gloom, but when you pick a room up, just listen in the pot, ain't gon' make it stop. A rebel in your thoughts, ain't gon' make it out. If you don't become an actor, you'll never be a factor. Pills with million side effects, take them when the pain's felt. Wash them down with diet soda, killing off your brain cells. Crooked banks around the world would gladly give a loan today. So if you ever miss the payment, they can take your own.
You can't let nobody stand in your